For thousands of years, farmers and sailors understood that if the sunset had a strong red tint to it, sunny weather would follow in the coming days. Red sky at night, sailors' delight. This was a prehistoric data point, useful enough to affect local decision-making. But as it turns out, sailors need more than the evening sky to chart their course. Back then, the mysteries of our world far outweighed the data available to solve them. Perhaps, we thought, if we could get closer to the data's source, we could understand more. And so we did. In the 19th century, Royal Society fellow and early meteorologist James Glaisher recorded atmospheric data points more than 30,000 feet in the air. He believed we could predict weather activity to improve decision-making. He was right. But still, data pioneers like James were starving for more data. Today, Spire builds and operates the world's largest constellation of multifunctional satellites. Combined with our growing network of ground stations, Spire sources and analyzes data to help predict the future and fuel innovation. So it appears we've overcome this ancestral data shortage. This marks a new era, because the supply of data is great enough to propel society forward for decades. True weather prediction can now be the focus. Past models have been too vague, forecasted over large regions, and crippled by a margin of error measured in hours or days. What's more, now that there's a vast supply of data, many solutions struggle to apply it effectively. So, the problem is an insufficient use of the weather data available. Spire Global believes data is more than a digital commodity to be packaged and sold in bulk. It is a vital component for making ships and aircraft more efficient and their crews safer. We have data right now that can make farms more productive, to help stop illegal fishing. We can prepare ourselves for extreme weather patterns, better plan for natural disasters, and, above all else, help save lives. It's not about the collection of data. It's about leaving our home planet better off than how we found it, and turning data into knowledge to solve some of humanity's toughest challenges. Because the future of our world is a cause bigger than ourselves, but still small enough to do something about it.